The 2019 Peugeot 508 crash test and rating. The 508 received a 5-star rating. The passenger compartment of the 508 remained stable in the frontal offset test. Dummy readings indicated good protection of the knees and femur of the driver and passenger. Peugeot showed that a similar level of protection would be provided to occupants of different sizes and to those sitting in different positions. The 508 has an active bonnet. Sensors in the bumper detect when a pedestrian has been struck, and actuators lift the bonnet to provide greater clearance to the hard structures in the engine compartment. Peugeot showed that the system works robustly for different pedestrian statures and across a range of speeds. For more details, please check the description below.